Bnkrcoin back with another Banker update. 53.72 million market cap is holding that level. AI agents really taking off. I'm recently talking about Venice as well. Venice, man, is absolutely going for it. Insane to see. When a coin is bullish, man, it goes for it. I talked about Venice on the channel at $1.40, and now it's up to $5.85. That's like a 5x. And I think Venice could potentially get to $20. But you know why this is good for Banker? Venice is, guess what? An AI project, AI and big data, right? Privacy AI project, right? Banker, what is Banker? Banker is an AI and big data project that focus on AI agents and decentralized finance using AI as well, with wallets, launches, TA, and protocols into DeFi with Uniswap as well, right? So Venice is doing well. That's a base project. It's on Coinbase. It's on base chain, right? This is where I'm trading. I love base. I love base chain. I love Ethereum related things because it feels to me it's much. It's much easier. It's much easier to be successful trading on Ethereum and base for me personally. Whenever I trade on chain, like other networks, it never works out as well as I expect it to personally, right? So Banker in a great spot here, holding up really well. With Venice taking off, I wouldn't be surprised if Banker starts to follow with AI. Just need one AI project to really take off, and then all the other AI projects also take off as well. And Banker is positioned to be one of those AI projects. It actually has something that it's building. 97k followers. As you can see, the followers keep rising. They recently did a partnership with Claunch. Claunch is like a Claude AI agent bot that is built on base, and it's taking, like I said, AI agents are taking the crypto space, the world by storm. People are coding their AI agents and making like $5 every second with trading AI trading bots. They're creating content with AI, you saw some of my videos I post on X. My pinned video is using an AI protocol called Cdance 2.0, where you just enter some prompts and then you create great content, right? 26,000 views or impressions for that. This is where we're headed, right? And I think you need to learn some type of AI. For me, the AI for me is content creation, using AI to leverage content creation. I don't necessarily need to build a D app, etc. Maybe I build some type of merch through AI or some type of product for my users so they can benefit, for trading crypto. But other than that, just in general, learn about AI in general to be for your future. Because you already see people already think, getting fired over it. You saw Jack Dorsey fire like 4,000 people in his 10,000 employed company. 4,000 people fired. It could be, two reasons. They overhired or it's AI taking their jobs. So I think it's a bit of both, right? So you need to learn AI. BankerBot partnering with Claw. You see they did a recent Uniswap showing a ton of support to Banker as well with the integrations. This is where DeFi, agentic DeFi comes into place. Uniswap skills are live in the Banker catalog. Give your agent structured access to core protocol actions, including swaps, LP planning, hooks, and more. Agentic finance meets DeFi, right? So Uniswap, Uniswap is one of the biggest DeFi decentralized exchange platforms on Ethereum, right? It's Uniswap and Aerodrome, right? So Uniswap, 1.4 million followers, giving a ton of support to Banker. Something you need to pay attention to, right? LLM gateways, large language model gateways isn't just for agents. You can set it up and run it with Claude plus more. This is from Deployer, the dev of Banker. No credit cards needed. Pay for interference with any coin in your wallet. Igor, one of the other devs of Banker as well. Promise, BankerBot has set up an API key tutorial where you could build. That's it. Your wallet now pays for every token. No subscription, no credit. When building agents, they can now fund their own compute. No human in the loop. So this is what I'm talking about. No human interaction, and then boom, your wallet right here, how much Banker you have with the credits. You use Banker as credits. It goes through the, people ask, well, what's the use case of the token? Well, guess what? You use Banker for credits to use the LLM and the AI tools, right? You go through the ALM, you go through the Vertex AI, you go through the Open Router, your app. This isn't just a meme coin here, guys. This is not just a meme coin here. I'm telling you, the things are being built here, right? And if you miss Venice, this could be a good catch-up trade, in my opinion, right? As you can see, look at all the coding that is taking place. I can't understand any of this. And I need to learn just as much as you guys need to learn, man. But, you know, this is, you know, coding tools that are taking place right here on the left side, and how the structure plays out. Just absolutely bullish stuff, man. Like I said, $1 million banker, $540 right now. It's a good bet to make. You could see 2 zeros, 5, if not 1 cent banker, if not 4 cent banker. You know, meme coins, the last successful memetic AI project that had memetics but also was AI, was AI16Z and Fartcoin, right? Both of those got to 2 billion market cap. So banker at 2 cents is possible, but just take profits on the way up, because obviously nothing is guaranteed in the space, right? So yeah, I think this is a good, you know, bet to make. Never invest more than you're willing to lose. As always, none of this is financial advice. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, join my Discord, follow me on X, and subscribe to my Eclipse channel. All of that is in the description. The 3 links are next to each other, guys. I really appreciate the support on all of those links. It really helps out. So thank you so much, and I'll catch you.